coming in. I told you that we were renovating one of my properties, getting it ready for sale. So this is the down dirty, and my son is here to help me. Aaron, you guys have met him before, so we're just gonna record ourselves doing some cleanup. There's Aaron, hi. So we're just here. We're dressed for the occasion.
So don't mind all this.
Okay. She was a smoker. So I want you to see the transformation. That's the main thing, the reason why I'm filming this, for you to see it. This is the living room. And you can see there that when I said that the person was a smoker, you know, 16 years ago, you asked them not to smoke, and then they start smoking, and she's been here 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. What are you going to do about it? And you know they're smoking in the home. There's nothing you can do about it. All of this carpet will be ripped up, and we will be putting hardwood floors. I am going to be painting, or I have someone painting. We are going to install new windows, and that's going to be a process of time, because they're telling me it's like 6 to 8 weeks out. Okay, this is the hallway. I know it's a hot, dirty mess, but I want to show it to you so when you see the transformation. Okay, this is the bathroom. Now, I'm on the fence with the bathroom because this is that retro, and people do love these colors and stuff are coming back now. So I am really I'm really stretching myself and trying to learn more about what I want to do with this bathroom. You know, because as far as the condition of the bathroom, it's in great condition, but the color. So I am really going to decide what I really want to do in here to make this bathroom awesome. Okay, that's the one bathroom. There's the hallway. This is leading up the stairs. They're filthy, of course. I'm going to have to replace that, but underneath there is all hardwood. Here's a closet here in this corner. Here's another bedroom that I'm going to do a small bedroom. Both bedrooms have 2 windows, so there's plenty of natural light. And also the closets are not that bad now. None of these homes have walk-in closets. We're not talking that type of stuff. But that's one bedroom. And here's the other bedroom that I am going to be tackling. I'm going to paint them, and we're going to put them back together so that this house will be ready for me to sell it and make a profit on it. Now, I will do another episode on how much I paid for the house 16 years ago. I can even give you a little bit of a breakdown of how much I made over the process of 16 years, and then how much I'm going to sell it for. I think that'll be a good financial video for me to do. Okay, we're going upstairs now. I'm going to show you the upstairs. This is a bungalow. Like I said, there's a window. See what you're left with. This is how people leave things, and there's nothing you can do about it. This has nice built-ins. Look at that. That's beautiful. You wait till I show you the transformation. I'm so excited about what's going to happen here. That's like a crawl space underneath there. I'll close that door because that's kind of spooky. It's kind of dark up here because she still left the curtains, and I'm going to just leave it there too. It's kind of dark, but we're going to work with it. Look at the built-ins here. Those are the built-ins. Too bad I can't turn the lights on. I'm trying to turn them on. And that's the closet doors. Now this closet up here is really nice and big. It's all cedar lined up here. So this is a nice big closet up in the loft area, I'll call it. But it is a 3-bedroom bungalow, and it also has a basement. Let me see. You guys are just going to have to bear with me. Okay, I was able to turn the lights on, so it's a little bit better now. This is what it is. There's a crawl space under there to get to the attic. And this is what I am working with. 16 years. And I have to get in and clean it up. I just want to show you guys. There are so many different facets to Miss Mary in this channel. And I said we were doing life, right? So if we're doing life, this is the way it's going to be. I'm going to show you the basement. And then I got to get to work. This is the kitchen. And This is where the stove and refrigerator reside. The refrigerator was to the left and the stove was to the right. This is a cabinet. I'm going to change that and put a pantry there. Can't wait to show you. I'm going to upgrade that countertop with granite. I'm going to salvage the cabinets in here. And then there's the dining room. And there's hubby. Okay, so now let's go downstairs so I can show you what's going on here. This is the door. Okay. So here, what we have is the basement. Nice and dry. I'm going to do the ceiling in black. The walls have been dry locked, but there's need to be dry locked a little bit more. This is another half bath. We're going to put a sink in here, and this kind of qualifies a half bath. Okay, and there's some new furnace in here. Down here is where everything is. And there is the hot water tank. And this is what it looks like, guys. And this is what I'm working with. And I've got to get started. So I'll keep you posted as I clean and do my magic.